This is our final project, which is a CTF learning platform, CyberQuest. So we will start off with showing the demo of the project. So this project was written using FastAPI. We have a backend here and a front end. Here how we start it. Also, it has logs shown here. So first of all, we are going to register a new user. So let's write, for example, Diana and the password here. Okay, so we registered. So this is the first functional requirement, which is user registration, which was, well, we are going to log in as an admin user. So yeah, now we logged in as an admin. The next functional requirement was browse and filter challenges. So here we have categories of a challenge, for example, web, crypto, forensics, reversing, OSINT, and also the levels. So these filters actually work. As you can see, we can also categorize them by level, easy, medium, hard. And yeah, we can combine those. The next functional requirement was submitting a flag. So in CTFs, we have to write in the answer, which is in the format of a flag, of a text, like a string. So this is a warm-up. So we just can see the functionality. The flag is written already itself here. We can also, okay, let's write down the flag, actually. Flag, hello, CyberQuest, submit. And yes, it's correct. The next functional requirement is the hint functionality, hint with a penalty. So if you unlock a hint, you actually lose points. So yeah, we have a warning which asks us, and it says, read the description carefully. And yeah, and the next functional requirement was creating and joining a team. So we have the team category. I'm already in a team here. I've already created, actually have a leaderboard, admin, and the account I just created. And this is just how to say, an experiment team with no name. So I will show you from this account. So I can actually create a team. I can write a name, any name. Let's say it's Arca. So I created a team. And if we refresh, it says I am already in the team, and it says shows the ID of the team. So now it's here, and we have 0 points yet. Yeah, and this is the sixth functional requirement, which is a leaderboard, as you can see. I don't really have a name here for my first, I would say, experiment team. And the next functional requirement was the admin panel. So I'm gonna go back in. Yeah, and we have an admin dashboard, so we can manage challenges here. We can create a new challenge. We write the title, description, categories, and the amount of points it costs, and the flag itself. And we can edit these already existing challenges. We can edit them or delete them. For example, let's say SQL injection. So I deleted it. Or I can create one. Let's say showcase, just to test. Say OSINT, hard, 100, and the flag just for fun. We created this challenge, and it's here. And you write it here. And this works. So yeah, and we refreshed it, the page, and now we can see that the amount of points actually changed here. Yeah.
Okay, so let's move to the presentation. So CyberQuest is a CTF platform for cybersecurity education, and the problem is that cybersecurity students learn security from textbooks with no structured place to practice. So we build a platform with challenges across 5 different categories: a scoring system with hint penalties, leaderboards, and admin panel for instructors. And the stack is React, FastAPI, PostgreSQL, and JWS authentication. So one decision we stand behind is using monolithic FastAPI architecture. With 2 of us and 10 weeks, microservices would have been pure overhead, and the shared database session keeps latency low, and a single deployment keeps operation simple. And we documented this as ADR 001. So one decision we would reverse is skipping automated tests, and we relied on manual testing, and every Python 3.9 compatibility issue, like the optional type syntax and the bcrypt version conflict, cost us hours of debugging that PyTest would have caught instantly. Okay, so our hypothesis was that if we build a CTF platform with structured challenges, students will actively engage because they lack a practical learning environment. 3 peers tested the platform, all completed the full flow in under 3 minutes. And when they got wrong answers, they retried at least twice before asking for hints, and 2 out of 3 used the hint system on harder challenges. So what didn't validate was team feature. 0 out of 3 testers used it, and based on this, we would focus future work on improving the individual experience rather than expanding team functionality. And our concrete next step is building a multi-step challenge engine where each correct flag unlocks the next stage and creating guided learning path within each challenge. So this directly addresses the feedback that users want more structured progression. So thank you for your attention, and the code is on GitHub and the repo link in our submission. So thank you.